Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup health plan documents with eHealth step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the eHealth website. Log into your eHealth account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the My Health section of the website. Look for the option labeled Documents in the menu. Click on the Documents tab to access your health plan documents. Here, you will see a list of all your available documents. Identify the specific documents you wish to backup. Select the documents by checking the corresponding boxes. After selecting the documents, look for the Download button. Click on the Download button to save the documents to your device. Choose a secure location on your computer or external drive for the download. Wait for the documents to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, navigate to the location where you saved the files. Open the folder to confirm that all selected documents are there. For added security, consider creating a backup on a cloud storage service. Upload the downloaded documents to your preferred cloud storage. Ensure that the upload completes successfully. Review your cloud storage to verify that the files are accessible. You have successfully backed up your health plan documents with eHealth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.